Glee star Becca Tobin's boyfriend was found dead in a Philadelphia hotel room, and the circumstances surrounding his death are mysterious. TMZ has the details. Matt Bendick, a 35-year-old nightclub owner, was in Philly on a business trip and Becca was with him. The couple had been out on the town celebrating with friends Wednesday night, and everything was normal and they returned to their hotel. The next day, a maid found his body in the afternoon. Philadelphia PD is calling Becca's boyfriend's passing a sudden death, but don't believe foul play, and there's no evidence of suicide. So where was the Glee star when the maid found his body? No one knows. In just a few days, the Glee cast will remember the passing of their beloved co-star Cory Monteith, which happened exactly a year ago. Cory also passed away in a hotel room after a night out with friends. Now, the Philly club has posted a tribute to the boyfriend of the blonde Glee actress, but really, he was known here in LA for running nightclubs. He is a co-owner of AV Nightclub. For the very latest, stick with HollyScoop.com.